Super excited. One thing I hate about winter is not being able to spend hardly any time outside because it's so freaking cold. So, before spring hit, planted all this. I've got zinnias and sage back there. I do have some marigolds actually sprouting up. I'm so excited. And tonight is supposed to be the last night we have a freezing cold weather at night. Last night for frost, I guess. That's my watermelons. And these are loofahs. I've actually got a special place for them. Yes, I am growing loofahs. The things that everybody, when they hear the name loofah or the word loofah, they say, oh, something you wash your body with. And you actually can scrub your body with these once they are fully grown and dried out. And from what I read on the internet, you can actually eat them too. I don't know how you prepare them to eat them, but I figured it would be a challenge for myself. I like to try to grow things unusual. That's probably where I got my mom likes to do that stuff. But those babies, all those babies, are going out here. All right there and right there. I got some lights that I put on the corners of my garden to decorate it a bit. But yeah, most of my garden is going to end up in here tomorrow. I'm really excited. I can't wait. And my loofahs are going to be planted right here. I've got this trellis just for them. This trellis is a pretty light frame, so I took some rope and tied the frame to some bricks so that when we get some bad weather coming in, the weather doesn't knock over my trellis. It still looks awkward. It looks crooked. I don't know how to fix that. But yeah, I bought this trellis on Amazon, and I am really looking forward to seeing my loofahs grow up it and over it and produce its loofahs. So yeah, super excited. I'll be able to spend most of the day out here tomorrow, I hope. Catch you soon. God bless, love you, and thank you for watching. Bye.